Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're anything like me, you've probably spent a lot of time looking for better ways to market online without getting overwhelmed or spending a small fortune. Whether you're selling digital products, doing affiliate marketing, or running a small business, one thing's for sure: marketing is not easy. You need to build landing pages, write email campaigns, design ads, create videos, post on social media, and somehow still find the energy to optimize it all for SEO. It's a lot, and for most people, it's the one thing holding them back from growing online. Now, I came across something that really got my attention. It's called AISellers 2.0, and I have to say, it's one of the most ambitious marketing tools I've seen in a while. It promises to do all the heavy lifting for you when it comes to promoting and selling anything online. And when I say anything, I mean whether it's your own product, an affiliate offer, or even a service. The idea is to take the hard stuff, the technical setups, the writing, the designing, the video creation, and automate it all using a custom-built AI engine. So here's how it works. You log into the platform, create a new project, and enter the name or the website of what you're promoting. If there's no website, you can upload info manually. From there, the AI gets to work, learning everything it can about your product or service. It pulls in relevant data and then gives you the power to instantly generate everything you'd need to start marketing. That includes a fully customized landing page, complete with bonuses and a thank you page. It also generates a lead capture page to help you build your email list. You can even get a product review video created on the spot, complete with AI-generated scripts, voiceovers, transitions, and visuals. And the best part? No need to be on camera, write a single word of script, or spend hours editing. There's also a tool that creates ebooks and turns them into flipbooks to use as lead magnets. You get blog posts, PR-style articles, email sequences, ad creatives, and automated social media posts. Everything ties back into your main funnel, helping you generate traffic, capture leads, and convert sales, all without needing to hire freelancers or know how to code or design. Now, I know what you might be thinking. It all sounds too good to be true. And honestly, that was my first thought too. I've seen a lot of platforms that promise automation but deliver cookie-cutter results that barely work in the real world. But the big difference here is how much customization AISellers actually allows. The content it produces is tailored to your product, and the platform gives you control to tweak and edit before you publish. Another thing I found interesting is that they're pushing this as a complete alternative to traditional marketing teams. They compare the cost of hiring copywriters, designers, video editors, and media buyers, which can easily add up to thousands per month, to using their platform for a one-time fee. And if the tool performs even half as well as they claim, the savings alone could be a game changer for solopreneurs or small businesses working with tight budgets. That said, I always recommend testing tools like this out for yourself. The good news is AISellers comes with a risk-free period, so if it doesn't live up to expectations, you can get your money back. That's a fair deal, especially for something that claims to replace so many tasks and save so much time. For me, what makes this interesting isn't just the automation. It's the fact that it gives creators, marketers, and business owners a real chance to move fast without needing to master every marketing skill themselves. It opens the door to launching campaigns more frequently, testing ideas quicker, and growing without being stuck in the weeds. If you're just starting out or you're looking to scale without hiring a full team, this might be worth checking out. I'll leave the link below so you can take a look yourself. And if you've tried AISellers already, I'd love to hear your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and tools that can help grow your business. Catch you in the next one.